Hey guys, it's Rex, Rex Works Outdoors. You may have watched my short that I posted earlier today, or maybe yesterday, I can't remember when it actually hit, about doing land clearing and cutting firewood, or cutting trees down for firewood. Today I'm at my wood lot, and we've got some of the wood that we've been cutting up and bringing over here to start the wood splitting process. So today we reached out to Brock with Rock Hill Farm and asked him to set up his firewood processing equipment. All right, guys, we've got the wood set up. We've rearranged the log splitter. Brock has showed up with the conveyor belt. It is set up at a 90 degrees from the splitter, so the splitter will split coming out the back, and it'll go onto the conveyor belt, and it'll go up into the dump trailer. So hopefully this will be a smooth process. We got an Easton made wood splitter 1222, backed up with a Mech HC 2010 conveyor, going into a dump trailer. So the stuff that we have rounded up here come from a local tree service, like Brock had said, but this stuff over, all of these logs over here came in where we've been doing the cutting and building the pad for the house on the short that I'll attach later. This is just a small portion of what we've been cutting out of there. There's probably, I'm betting, at least 4 times as much. So I'm betting there's at least 4 times as much wood still out there right now. There's a lot of wood that we've been cutting down and processing. So stick around. Thanks for watching.
So this is my buddy Randy. Randy's been cutting and splitting firewood since he was young, and right now he's older than dirt, but I talked to him several times about Brock's setup, and he was really wanting to try it out, so we got him over here to let him work it for this afternoon. We just kept him fed with logs, and all he had to do was pull the levers.
You want them bigger? Is there a way to adjust them bigger? Like,
the raise and lower the wedge is here.
hit her again. They may not like that one. It started.
I don't know what they recommend it, but on the tough one, I'm just going to hold my hand on that one so it doesn't bounce back.
So Brock was saying the size of these logs are not necessarily ideal for the 6-way splitter. Had he known that they were a little bit smaller like this, he would have brought the 4-way. We were having a little bit of difficulty in getting them to run through there in a few spots, but just the way the 6-way is set up, this would have been ideal for the 4-way.
Quit landing. Left one. This one. This here. Yeah. All right, guys, so we've knocked out most of this pile of wood that we had. This is just some odds and end pieces that we had left over that we're not worried about splitting. Once again, this is the Easton made wood splitter, the 1222 with the Mech HC 2016 conveyor belt. And we filled up this dump trailer, definitely full. So we filled up that dump trailer after we got everything set up and we had everything rolling. We had to do some manipulating, had to do some adjusting on the positioning of stuff. But roughly 45 minutes, not quite an hour, and we got at least 2 rick of wood. That is pretty fast in my opinion. So my buddy Randy normally splits wood with just a single splitter. It has a single wedge splitter, and he said it would take him hours and hours to do that same amount of wood. So I think he's pretty happy with the outcome, and we've still got a lot more wood to split. So if you liked the video and you want to see more videos, I'm going to put links to additional videos in the corner, and I would appreciate it if you would like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.